Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, sir.
Hi.
I'm good.
Wow, nice. Have you sent the link to your brother?
Not now, not yet. I think now you can't.
Did you call him?
Sir?
Did you call him or not?
Yeah, I can.
Did he receive your call?
This is just I'm doing.
Did he receive your call or not?
Sir?
Did your brother receive your call or not?
You can listen.
He did not receive your call.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's why. Okay, he might have slept or he might have engaging himself in any other work. Okay. Uh, is it your house?
Sir? Yes, sir.
Wow, it is a very natural beauty. Lot of trees is located from where?
Uh, they have 20 mango trees.
20 mango trees. Variety kind of mango is available.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Still there is a mango. What a lot of mango is located from where? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. It's my village.
It is your village. That means there is a very
Yes,
good
sir.
sceneries, very good view. Yeah, very nice.
Okay. Thank
And
you.
you have been living in very natural beauty. It is a nice thing. Well, we feel
Yes,
very
sir.
happy if there will be lot of trees. The environment is very peace. Okay, I think that what some sound from your birds is also coming out of you. Yes. So
Yeah.
great. And I think there may be a coil. The beautiful sound is coming. Yes. So
I
can you
think
hear me properly?
some net problem.
Network problem. Yeah, the internet connection is unstable.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the next time it will be very good if we talk, and if we talk in what in our conversation. So you should use that earphone so there will be what clearly audible, right? Just
Okay,
holding
sir.
the mobile phone,
Thanks.
and like talking, that some technical problem may be arise, isn't it? But if we use
Yes.
headphone or earphone, then it will be very good. Okay. Still there
Okay,
will be
sir.
no problem. Why I'm what telling you to download the Skype application, because I can talk with you any moment and anywhere, no problem. And now I'm using my laptop so that I can take the laptop here and there, isn't it? And definitely after practicing good, yeah, practicing what again and again by conversing in English language, that you will be expert in English speaking skill, no problem. English is not nothing else. It is just a language, and if you practice is more and more, then you can speak very good language, isn't it? And it is everything is
Yes,
about practice, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Anything. And I have already told you that that day. So if anyone is want to be a good swimmer, if
Hmm.
he or she will not go into the water, can he or she will be a good swimmer? Not at all.
No,
And
sir.
you are going to be a good singer. So without practicing singing, can you be a good singer? Not at all. So that's for you have to practice a lot. Yeah, you have been practicing what hours and hours per day, isn't it? And before going to audition, that what you need to do. And not you
More
practicing.
practices.
Yeah, more practices, right? More practice make more finish, more smooth. You can be good
More practice.
communicate over this language, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm always with you to practice with you. Okay, no problem. Any moment, anytime you can talk with me in English language. I will try my best to enhance your potentiality, enhance your speaking skill at any time. Okay, I request you to start this session with having a beautiful song, short song, that motivational song. I want to listen a very good motivational song from you from right now.
Uh, Hindi song.
any song that will be what motivate us about to know something. Motivational
Motivate.
song. Yeah, motivational song.
I don't know that a motivational song, but
Right now you can express it. Okay. Any short English song? Do you have any?
yes,
Okay,
okay.
start.
Just think. Let me think. Which song? Mm, which song? We don't talk anymore. We do. We don't laugh anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just said you found the one I've been looking. You've been looking for. I wish you would have known that wasn't me. Cause even after all this time, I still wonder why I can't move on. That's the way you did so easily. Don't wanna know, can I dress you're wearing tonight? If it's holding on to you so tight, the way I did before. I overdosed, should've known your love was the game. No, I can't take you off my pain. Ooh, it's such a shame, yeah. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do.
Excellent,
It's not
sir.
finished, but
Excellent. Okay. It's the excellent song, right?
I'm just practicing in that.
Okay.
I'm not perfect now.
Yes, you have not practiced. Still, you have sung nicely. You sang the song, isn't it? Without practicing that, you sang a song very beautifully. It is the most important thing. Okay, it is instantly. I told you to sing a song. It is a very good thing that you have expressed. Okay, and after preparing that, you can sing this song very beautifully, isn't it? Because just I instantly you had no idea that whether what Sundar sir will ask me directly this question. Yeah, you had
Yes,
no
sir.
idea that whether I will ask or not, isn't it? But
Yes,
suddenly I
sir.
asked to sing a song, so it is a challenging moment. Anyone in the world, if you ask instantly to do something work, they will hesitate what to say and what not to say,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? It is very challenging task for everybody. If you call to the Narendra Modi and if you put a question directly, instantly, he is also what fumbling and what
Yes,
answer should I give? Okay,
yes, sir.
though he is a
That's
good communicator, good speaker, because before going to speak something, many people
yes,
prepare
sir.
themselves, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Good,
Yes.
right. Um, so actually, is there any problem in your locality to speak in English language? What problem you have been facing?
Because the environment is not that type where I can speak with somebody
Good. Uh,
for improve my English.
of course, yes. So, with whom generally you talk in English language in your day-to-day life?
Sir?
With whom do you speak in English language in your day-to-day life? Generally, you feel very comfortable to talk with him or her. Do you speak
I couldn't
regularly?
understand just.
Do you speak regularly English
Oh,
language?
yeah. Yeah.
With
Yes, sir.
whom? With whom?
With whom? With me and with my other sir, where I go my tuition.
Oh, then your other
With my tuition
student.
sir.
Yes,
Not student. Not student. With my teacher.
with your
My
teacher.
teacher sir.
Good, very good. I think
And
that
with
you,
whom?
yes,
And with me.
With yourself. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good. It
Yes,
is a
sir.
very good technique. It is self-practicing. Okay. Anything that we're singing, we're dancing, we're speaking, we're anything. We can also learn so many things. Okay. One is self-motivated, another is self-motivated. If you become self-motivated, there is no external factor will be what I require. Isn't
That's
it?
right.
There is the introverted and extroverted. Okay, some people what influenced by other, and some people what influenced by themselves.
Myself.
Yes, themselves
Yes,
or
sir.
yourself. So you can speak anything that you can take there. Okay, it is a mobile phone, and you can explain this mobile phone any dimension why we are using this mobile phone. Okay, you can
Yes,
also
sir.
speak this is a mobile phone and this color is black, and we using this mobile phone in several dimensions, and what do you do generally this mobile phone. You can explain, and you can recollect it about its features, about your function, about your merit, about your demerit, and try to speak about that mobile phone. Just I'm giving you
Sir.
about this mobile phone.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I have a grammar book. Just I have a
Yes,
grammar book, and there is also another grammar book, isn't it? It is a grammar book.
yes, sir.
Yes, it is a grammar book. Suppose I have I have kept two grammar book. I can also what compare about these two grammar book. What is the merit and demerit of this grammar book, and what is the merit and demerit of this grammar book? Because it is
Yes, sir.
this Rain and Martin only English to English is written.
Yes,
Here
sir.
English Hindi is written. So that if I
But
keep this, okay, this is grammar
yeah,
book, and it is the grammar book high school English grammar, and written by whom? Written by R.K. Sharma, right? It is
okay,
written
sir.
by R.K. Sharma, and the publication or publisher is Lucent Publisher. Okay,
Yes, sir. Okay,
then
sir.
you can also what describe about the front cover, front your color, what type of color is that book, weight, height. Okay, you can just imagine yourself. You have to
Yes, sir.
express, you have to describe something and something and somebody else.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
you can also
Okay,
describe
sir.
about your father, about your mother, about sister, about your relative peoples. Okay, your house, village, school, any people whom you may. Okay, then you can
Sir.
also explain about yourself too. Okay, presently how you are looking, what are looking. Okay, what you have put on. Okay, in which
Yes,
shirt you
sir.
have put on, and what color is it, and what is written on your what strip, isn't it? Anything you can explain. There are several opportunity in our in front of us,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it? So it is a curiosity, just
Yes,
what to say,
curiosity.
what,
Yes.
yeah. And once the
You know.
curiosity emerge in our mind, then it never
Yes, sir.
stop. It never stop. Just once created inside our mind, the curiosity emerge, or
Okay.
it's generated inside our mind, then it motivate us to do something.
Yes, sir.
No problem, because we have a mobile phone. Our mobile phone is our best friend, isn't it? Mobile
Not
phone is
mine.
our best friend. Yes, if we use this mobile phone is our best friend, it will be the best friend. And if we
Hmm.
use it the bad manner, that it will be the dangerous friend.
Yes, sir.
It
You're
will,
right. Yes.
yes, it will provide good thing as well as bad thing too.
I think yes.
Yes, we are using, for example, we are learning English language, isn't it? We are
Yes, sir.
learning English language so that we can search so many English language. Okay, English language related how people are speaking. We can also see video, audio, as well as photo, and other copies also. For example, some people are using social media in for example, okay, those who are using that Instagram. Okay, so
Yes,
I
sir.
just uh, I use and I search English, spoken English. Okay, spoken
Spoken
English.
English. Hmm.
Just I open the spoken English and I search. I found a lot of spoken English pages on Instagram. Okay, just I found
Yes, sir.
another page. So here there is a what come inside the what in front of the mobile phone. So for example, I am a beginner, so I can say that wheat, WHEAT, wheat. wheat का मतलब क्या है? wheat का मतलब गेहूं हो गया. ओके, अगर मुझे पता है wheat का मतलब गेहूं होता है, इट इज ओके। अगर पता नहीं होता तो ओहो, व्हीट का मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, व्हीट का मतलब गेहूं कहते हैं। और उसे स्क्रॉल कर दिया तो कॉर्न आ गया, CORN, कॉर्न। कॉर्न का मतलब मक्का होता है। ओ, कॉर्न का मतलब मक्का होता है। मक्का हम क्यों यूज करते हैं, व्हाई डू यू यूज व्हाट कॉर्न, व्हाई डू यू यूज कॉर्न, ओके। उसके बाद और आ गया है सागो, ओके। ऐसे सागो का मतलब साबूदाना
साबू।
कहते हैं, ओके। और सूजी को कैसे, सूजी आ गया उसे, ओके, सेमोलिना। व्हाट डू यू ईट, व्हाट इज सेमोलिना, प्राइस सेमोलिना। हम कहते हैं आज क्या हुआ है, आज सूजी का क्या हो गया था, सूजी हो रहा है, हम बोलते हैं, राइट।
सूजी।
लेकिन सूजी को
यस सर।
इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं, ओके। देखो इसमें लिखा हुआ है सेमोलिना। जनरली
सेमोलिना।
या सेमोलिना का मतलब सूजी होता है। सेमिया सेमोलिना हम मिक्स करते हैं, कुछ बनाते हैं, राइट। और
सेमोलिना।
और हम बोलेंगे खेती करना क्या है, ओके। फार्म, खेत को फार्म कहते हैं और खेती करना को फार्मिंग कहते हैं, राइट। सो जस्ट आई व्हाट
फार्मिंग।
शो यू
यस
दिस
सर।
थिंग बिकॉज। और एक कुछ उदाहरण देखो, अभी आज एक ढूंढते ढूंढते थोड़ा सा आ गया, अच्छा लगा मुझे एक्चुअली। आई फील वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दैट। वाटर का मतलब क्या है,
पानी।
पानी। मेलन का मतलब क्या है, MELON, मेलन का
ऑरेंज
मतलब
मतलब
खरबूजा है,
खरबूजा। यस सर, मेलन,
खरबूजा।
वाटरमेलन।
वाटर ना ना, वाटर का मतलब पानी होता है, मेलन का उधर खरबूजा होता है। लेकिन वो दो वर्ड मिल जाए, वाटर मिलन हो जाएगा तो दूसरा वर्ड हो जाता है,
यस सर। हाँ।
क्या, उसका तरबूज हो
यस
जाएगा,
सर।
ओके। पानी और
यस सर।
खरबूजा को मिला देंगे तो तरबूज हो जाता है,
तरबूज। यस सर।
राइट। सो वाटर
यस
प्लस
सर।
मेलन इक्वल टू वाटरमेलन। वाटर इज
वाटर।
सेपरेट थिंग, मेलन इज सेपरेट थिंग, वाटरमेलन इज सेपरेट थिंग,
यस सर।
ओके। तो देखो,
ओके सर।
और एक देखो नाप, NAP, नाप। नाप का मतलब क्या है, NAP नाप,
हाँ।
NAP नाप। नाप का मतलब क्या है, नैप, NAP नैप।
यहाँ
थोड़ा सा
ऐसा
थोड़ा सा झपकी लगाना, अगर नींद आएगा तो थोड़ा सा सो
झपकी।
जाना, या थोड़ा सा जस्ट हल्के में सोना को उसको नैप कहते हैं,
हाँ।
ओके। उसके नैप कहते हैं। और KIN, कीन, KIN कीन। कीन का मतलब क्या है, संबंधीय, ओके, रिलेटिव्स। कीन का मतलब रिलेटिव। जैसे कि हम क्या कहते हैं, हमारा कीन, कीन का मतलब संबंधीय, ब्लड कीन कहते हैं कि नहीं, रक्त संबंधीय, राइट। तो नाप का मतलब क्या, झपकी लेना, थोड़ा सा सोना। और कीन का मतलब क्या है, कीन का मतलब संबंधी। अगर नापकिन मिल जाए तो क्या होता है, नापकिन होता है एक कागज होता है जिसको हम खाने के बाद यूज करते हैं हाथ पूछने के लिए। लेकिन उसमें क्या, नाप के मतलब सोना क्या होता है कि नहीं होता,
नहीं।
ओके। किन का मतलब संबंध भी नहीं होता। नापकिन एक अलग सा चीज हो जाता है। नापकिन का मतलब एक ऐसा टिश्यू पेपर होता है जिसमें हम हाथ साफ करते हैं, हाथ पूछते हैं, ओके। उसके बाद बटर, बटर का मतलब क्या है,
सर।
बटर, BUTTER, बटर। बटर का मतलब क्या है, मक्खन,
मक्खन।
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 और फ्लाई का मतलब क्या है, उड़ना,
सर।
फ्लाई, FLY, फ्लाई।
फ्लाई।
हाँ, फ्लाई का मतलब
उड़ना।
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 तो अगर बटर का मतलब मक्खन, फ्लाई का मतलब उड़ना, अगर बटरफ्लाई को मिला दे तो क्या हो जाता है, तितली हो जाता
तितली।
है, तितली हो जाता है कि नहीं। और हम क्या कहते हैं उड़िया में उसको, तितली को क्या कहते हैं,
प्रजापति।
प्रजापति कहते हैं। तो देखो कितना अच्छे से हो जाएगा, तो आप कितना सुंदर होगा। नहीं, बटर, बटर का मतलब मक्खन, फ्लाई का मतलब उड़ना। कभी मक्खन उड़ता है क्या, कभी मक्खन उड़ता है, नहीं उड़ता,
नहीं।
यस। लेकिन
नहीं
हम
सर।
दो को मिला देंगे तो उड़ जाएगा वो, राइट।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
बटरफ्लाई,
यस सर।
बटरफ्लाइज कैन फ्लाई, इजंट इट। सो और एक और एक अच्छा वर्ड बोल रहा हूं, आई। आई का मतलब क्या है,
EYE.
आंख, ओके, EYA आंख, ओके, वाश, WASS, वाश का मतलब धोना, ओके, वाश का मतलब धोना,
Sir,
वाश, WASH, वाश, वाश का मतलब क्या है? धोना.
somebody calls me, sir.
Can you pick up your call?
Somebody calls me. Just
Okay, okay,
I just
receive the call.